Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and this is a stream I would like to do just for myself. It is such an ugly watch, it is horrible, but with a beautiful complication. Do you see the ring underneath the dial with the AMPM function? So 24, so every 12 hours the disc changes and you get 12, 1, 2, 3. And this is a complication I really want to see for myself. Don't know what to expect. And there we go. Do the quick calibration so you see exactly the same as I see. Now that is the camera and you're watching with me through my microscope while we are working on watches. And simply remove the winding stem. Oh, and the tube comes out. Unusual. Here. This piece should be secured in the case. Well, very easy to restore. There's a large ring, and then simply take it out of the case. First things first, the hands. Well, the dial looks horrible already, but no need for extra stretches. Even the hands don't just look right, it's just me. And then hey, this one is already loose. Simply falls apart. And the other side. What does the disc? It cannot be just a date ring because 31 days is an odd number, so it has to move every 12 hours. There we go. There's the ring. And it's got a small indentation there so it doesn't slip. So this is the small lever that goes back and forth there. See that? So it goes 12 o'clock, 24 hours, 12. It is a lovely complication. Well done. But it's driven every 12 hours. So just disc. I think some of you presumed it to be the date ring. But instead of rotating, this one goes simply back and forth. There, 1, 2. There, the whole plate will come off. And it's a complication on top of the normal movement. There. Interesting. Just a back and forth motion with the spring, which goes way too heavy, and that's why it doesn't work. And this bit is driven by this cam. And otherwise such a simple basic movement. Here the setting lever spring, the plate, not sophisticated at all, don't you think? And here the rocker for the ring. Not too much to it, just a few parts extra. The design is quite bulletproof. But don't you think it's such a lovely complication that when right and with a beautiful dial, which this isn't, you simply change the numbers underneath the dial. Lovely, lovely, lovely design, but ugly watch. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hey, see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.